Ahlan, welcome to Arabic breakfast. Futur. Breakfast is futur. This is ful. Ful. It's fava beans with tomatoes and some spices and olive oil. This is tamees. Tamees. It's a bread to eat with ful. This is shakshuka. Shakshuka. It's scrambled egg with tomatoes and onions and some spices. This is another bread. Is called khubz. Khubz shami or aysh shami. Bayd. Bayd is egg. Maslouk is boiled. Bayd maslouk. Fried is magli. Bayd magli. This is sandwich. Sandwich is sandwich. Jubn abiyad. Jubn abiyad. White cheese. Jubn abiyad. Zaytoon. Zaytoon is olives. Zaytoon. Jubn asfar. Yellow cheese. Jubn asfar. Murabba. Murabba is jam. Murabba. Asal. Asal. Honey. Asal. Qahwa. Qahwa Arabi. Qahwa. Arabic coffee. Shahi. Shahi. This Arabic tea. Shahi bil halib. Shahi bil halib. Tea with milk. Sugar is sukkar. Sukkar. If you want without sugar, you say bidun sukkar. Bidun sukkar. Qahwa. Qahwa. Coffee. Qahwa. Moya. Moya. Water. Moya. Asir. Asir. Juice. Halib. حليب milk حليب. يلا أنا حافطر دحين. أنا حافطر دحين. I will eat breakfast now. Like and follow me for next lesson. And if you're new, you can subscribe for more lessons on my channel. Thank you.